It's great to prep all your meals yourself, but let's face it, it's not easy. With the right tools, you can reduce the time you spend in the kitchen and even get better at cooking. Whether it's waste disposal you're worried about while you cook, or you're just looking for quick snacks, there are loads of things you can find to make your life easier. Even if you just want to keep track of your diet and keep away from all the goodies in your fridge, there are gadgets that can help you with that. We've compiled a list of 12 great kitchen gadgets that will make your life easier. So let's dive in, shall we? Number 12. Popcorn maker. Ever found yourself on a Friday night wanting to relax and watch a movie? But a movie is only half the fun without popcorn. So if you want a true cinematic experience at home, without having to go through the hassle of cooking your popcorn manually, this gadget will make your night. This automatic popcorn maker will ready your popcorn in seconds, all at the flick of a switch. You just have to pour the corn in, close the lid, put a bowl in front, and then just plug in the device, and voila! Your fresh hot popcorn will be ready and bouncing. They will start pouring into the bowl as soon as they get cooked, so you manage to cook a lot more popcorn than it might seem given the compact size of the device. Number 11. Stainless steel sink. This high-quality stainless sink is just what your new kitchen, or old one if you're thinking of upgrades, needs. And for more than just one reason. As a sink, it's made of the finest materials and will last you very long indeed. But that's not it. It has a very cool trick up its sleeve. Place a dirty glass upside down on the sink and push it in, and you will see its automatic glass washing sprinkler system activate. This will thoroughly rinse your glass with pressurized water and leave it squeaky clean. So now you'll never have dirty glasses piling up in your sink. You can wash them in seconds right when you use them. Number 10. NEMCU'S professional cartridge tomato slicers. If you're tired of all the tedious labor of cutting up tomatoes that separates you from your favorite meals, then now your worries are solved. With this robust gadget, you can skip the boring parts of cutting tomatoes and cut right to the chase when cooking your favorite dishes. To set it up, you just place the machine on a table or countertop and put a container right in front of it so the sliced tomatoes can fall into it. Then just place the tomato in from the side and grab the handle and push it forwards, and it'll smoothly slice your tomato into fine cut rings and push it forward into your container. And this machine is plenty big to accommodate any size of tomato you can imagine. Moreover, with high quality stainless steel construction, you don't have to worry about durability at all. Number 9. JOYBOS paring knife. Whether you're peeling onions or cucumbers, it sure makes a mess with all that skin coming off. But with this nifty gadget, that problem is entirely solved. It's a sturdy plastic build with sharp stainless steel blades to reliably peel your fruit or vegetable. And the blades are specially designed such that they will peel well whether you push it forward or pull it backward. The handle has been designed with comfort in mind, with a curved design to enable better grip, and it's suitable for both left and right hand use. There's a hook at the bottom of the handle as well for hanging conveniently. But what really sets this peeler apart is the built-in waste storage container. The plastic container is positioned such that as you peel off your fruit or vegetable, the strips start gathering inside it instead of just dropping down. Therefore, you can keep peeling and just empty the waste container into the trash when you're done. Pretty convenient, right? And the container is big enough to last you multiple peeling rounds, so you can peel uninterrupted. And this peeler is also dishwasher safe, so when you're done peeling, just throw it into the dishwasher and it's good for use again. Number 8. Trash bracket. We all like our kitchen clean, but it can be a lot of work keeping it that way. But with this smart gadget, your job will become much easier. This bracket attaches to the side of your kitchen counter, and you can open it and attach a trash bag to it, and the bracket will keep it wide open so you can throw trash in easily. Now instead of piling up your trash on your kitchen counters only to clean it afterward, or reaching for your trash can disrupting your flow, you can just conveniently sweep the trash right into the bag without missing a beat. When you're done, just attach the bag and you can now just carry off your trash and dispose of it for good. And just like that, all your trash is taken care of. Number 7. Sink net. Speaking of hygiene, keeping the sink clean is arguably as big a task as keeping the rest of the kitchen clean. But with this gadget, your life just got a whole lot easier. It comes with a plastic holder with suction pads at the bottom, and it attaches firmly to the corner of your sink. Then, you just fit a disposable net into the holder and pass all your solid containing waste through this. And the net will let the liquid pass through, but trap the solid for you, so you can separately dispose of the net with all the trash trapped in, saving both your sink from blocking and potentially your drain pipes as well. Number 6. PANCAKEBOT. Pancakes are delicious, but did you know they can also be an art form? Well, with this advanced gadget, they sure can be. The PancakeBot is like a 3D printer but for pancakes. You can design your pancakes on your computer yourself, using any image, whether scanned from paper or downloaded from the internet. All you have to do is import the image into the PancakeBot software and draw over the outlines, and PancakeBot will repeat your design step by step. It first draws the lines you drew first, so they'll end up darker, giving solid outlines. Afterward, it will do the fill, all with excellent precision due to its specially designed vacuum and pressure system to control batter flow. So whether you want to make delicious and creative pancakes for your friends or family, or want to leave a lasting impression on your customers at your cafe or restaurant, this technology is sure to make that a reality for you. Number 5. ONEHANDPLATE. If you like multitasking or just like eating with one hand in general, this gadget is sure to make your life a lot easier. ONEHANDPLATE is a specially designed plate to make eating with one hand easy. It has a horizontally arranged cylindrical pegs to keep your food stuck right into place. There are varying gaps between the pegs to fit in items of many different sizes. Now whether you cut your items with a knife or try to push a fork into them, they'll stay in place due to the pegs and not slide off, making eating with one hand super easy. Number 4. The Kitchen Safe. With all the yummy food available at an arm's reach these days, controlling our cravings can be a real challenge. But if you're health conscious and want a sure-shot way to handle your cravings, this is just the gadget for you. The Kitchen Safe is an airtight box for all your snacks, but with a twist. It has a special lock with a timer that you can set by adjusting the slider on top. When the timer is set, the box will unlock until the timer has come down to 0. You can set times in the minutes, hours, or even days. Now all your cravings are under airtight control. Pun intended. Number 3. LEKUE Microwave Grill. Ever wanted some grilled food but without all the hassle of setting up an actual grill? This is just the gadget for you. The LEKUE Microwave Grill is a compact grill that can give a grill-like effect to your food just by heating it in the microwave, so no smoke, fumes, or smells. Enjoy a clean, healthy grill within minutes. As for maintenance, you can throw it into the dishwasher and you're done. It's also available in XL size if you want 3 to 4 grills in one go. Number 2. Condiment Gun. You can make every little experience a little more fun with the right gadget, and this is what this gadget does too. The condiment gun is a container for your ketchup or sauces and is styled like a gun, so you can pull a trigger to shoot the ketchup in style. So whether you just want to make your dining table at home a little more interesting, or impress guests at your restaurant or cafe, this is just the gadget for you. Number 1. R180 High-Speed Smart Toaster. If you are wondering what the toaster of the future would look like, then it's right here with this smart toaster. This toaster comes with an advanced proprietary InstaGlow heating system, so your heating is always precise. It heats up very quickly, so your bread never gets dry, and you'll end up with bread that is crispy on the outside, yet soft on the inside. And all of this is done within a fraction of the time an old-school toaster would take. For control, it has a large touchscreen with rich graphics, where you can choose from many different modes to toast just the kind of thing you want, whether bagels, English muffins, toast, waffles, or pastries. It has 63 precise settings, all available within 3 easy taps, giving wide-ranging flexibility, it being super easy to use. And the touchscreen displays a clock when you're not toasting, so it can also double as your kitchen clock too. Alright, comment below which of these kitchen gadgets you're getting your hands on first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.